Scale model enthusiast or not, welcome back to my workbench. It's been quite some time since I post everything in my channel, and believe it or not, the reason for my absence is that I truly didn't know how to create the two air intakes on the engine hood of my Peugeot 2005. I tried everything, and in the end, the use of basic modulated inks allowed me to achieve a result that is certainly not perfect but still more than acceptable. But let's start from the beginning. First I went to paint the two rear windows. This task was not at all straightforward, because it was really challenging to figure out where to mask, since the lines on the prints were barely visible. So I used some plastic art to create a template, then cut out some tape and applied the necessary masking. After masking, I proceed to paint first with the classic Titan primer. Subsequently, I apply the white paint and, where necessary, some black. With the masking removed, we can glue the windows into position. Once the air intakes are finished, it won't be possible to install the rear window from the inside. So I built a small frame that I will use to support the window, which I will install from the outside. After doing that, I start by creating the outline of the radiator where the air intakes will be channeled. Now I have the starting point of the air intakes, which is the window, and the end point, which is the radiator. At this stage, all that's left is to connect the 2 points with very thin plasticar and a lot of patience. I will use some TAMIYA epoxy putty to reinforce the air intakes from the inside. In the wood of the real car there are some reinforcement. I will use some semi-round plastic art to simulate them. The air intakes are now complete, but certainly not very satisfying aesthetically. Let's use some putty again to blend everything more finely. After the putty has dried, I will use sandpaper of different grades to level and smooth the surfaces where necessary. After 2 or 3 hours and several meters of sandpaper, this will be the result. Now I will go on to mask the already painted parts of the body with tape and transparent film. The interior of the hood will be painted in the same white as the body, but without gloss, as I want to maintain a matte finish. And finally, this is the ultimate result of my efforts. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and that it inspired you. For me, these air intakes have been the biggest modeling challenge I faced since I started sharing on my channel. The truly difficult part was figuring out which technique to use to achieve the most credible and realistic result possible. If you're wondering, it's no longer possible to close the hood properly after this modification, but that's not a problem for me, because I want the car to remain open once it's finished. It would be a shame to hide all the effort and work I put into this model. See you in the next video, and remember that collecting boxes is fun, but collecting models even more. Bye bye!